What's going on, everybody? Jeremy Scott here again, and this is
Daniel Vickers.
And we are Jeremy and Daniel out there doing real estate. So this is the follow-up. If you watched the first one, if you haven't, you should. You get to see how ugly this piece of junk house was. But right now is the after, and we did quite a bit of work to this. I swear it was like 45 grand.
Probably somewhere right around there.
Yeah, quite a bit. Outside looks. Well, let's go ahead and get started.
Sure, definitely.
Outside, we didn't do a whole lot. Or go ahead, you too.
Sure. So on the outside, just because it was more expensive than what we were expecting, we did not paint the exterior. Typically, we would do that if we had room for it. But what we did is, the soffit and fascia all the way around the property was completely rotted.
Oof.
Replaced that all the way around, painted it nice white. And then on the far right side of the property there where the garage is, if you guys saw the before photos, that initially was converted into just kind of like a storage unit almost. It was like gross green boards, again, all rotted all the way around. So we converted that back into a garage with a nice new garage door and everything like that.
Yeah.
And the cost on either repairing that, weird storage shed or turning it back into a garage was only about a $300 difference. So it was definitely worth going this route.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It looks good. Way better curb appeal.
Yes.
There's no way the grass is that green. That's photoshopped.
Yep,
for sure.
Professional photos. But then also just a little bit of landscaping and stuff just to clean up the front as well, just to make it look a little bit better.
Oh, it looks so much better comparatively side by side.
Definitely.
Let's see here. Roof. I don't know if we had to do anything on this one yet.
No, nothing on the roof as of yet.
New flooring.
This flooring we actually kept. This was a nice flooring in this room, so we did keep that. And the rest of the house we did do new flooring.
So you walk in and you got this big living room right here.
Correct.
And it was a piece of junk.
Correct.
Okay, so here's the new flooring in the kitchen. Nice.
Yes.
So we didn't have this one staged because it was so far away. The whole story of this situation is funny and unique, but I'm not gonna bore you with that part. Now notice here too, this does have washer and dryer in the kitchen. It is what it is. It wasn't worth maneuvering it around, but it's open too, and it's right by all the other ones. And look, brand new cabinets blending in.
And that's all new plumbing work too, to those washer and dryer hookups, as well as plumbing all behind the cabinets there. If you guys remember from the before photos, we had to rip all the cabinets out, not only to replace them, but also all the plumbing work behind it. It was wide open to the studs practically.
And that's the new window we put in, right?
Yes.
Yep, brand new window. So good looking room. It would look better staged, but it is what it is. Plenty of room in there for activity.
Definitely.
We did go with the granite. That's a good look. I love that cream. Mm-hmm. And the shaker style doors are still in. What is this? Lazy Susan? Is that what those are called?
No. Are you talking about just the thin cabinet?
Yeah, you pull it open and it's got that roll. Isn't that called a Lazy Susan?
It is. I've always heard Lazy Susan's like the one that sits like in the middle of your table that you spin around.
Oh, okay.
Those I think I just typically use if I have a cabinet like that for like some cookie sheets or something. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, who is Susan and why did she get labeled with that?
Yeah.
No work ethic. So new appliances there. It looks good.
Yep.
So this one's been on the market I think for a week. 10 days.
About a week from the beginning of the year.
It's getting action. Paris is a little slower moving market. And how many square feet is this one? Like 1250?
1250 or so, yes.
Yeah. We're still asking a decent amount, but we're probably going to end up, well, no, it's $13.92. It's pretty good size.
Yeah, it is a good size.
I mean, shoot, we only had like $105 a square foot.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap.
This house is worth it. We'll sit on it. New doors, look, I love doing that. You put in new flooring, paint the baseboards, or put in new if you can. Mm-hmm. Those 5-inch MDF are the best way to go. But those doors, the 6-panel, it's just that's what they put in brand new houses. It makes it look so much newer. It's insane.
Definitely.
I still have doors in my current house. It was built in a 74, I think, that has the flat. And they look better white, but, I mean, those look
they just look better, for sure.
Bathroom. That looks night and day better.
Yep, definitely. So new vanity, new toilet, and then I believe a new shower as well.
Probably a new mirror, basic mirror.
Oh, definitely the mirror and flooring in there. I believe.
Oh yeah,
I believe we kept the flooring that was in there. They had started the renovation in here, right. And so we tried to match the remainder of the flooring throughout the rest of the house. This is an actual nice waterproof vinyl that was in there, so we tried to keep that.
Very nice. And man, they did a really good job on this rehab because this house was a piece of ish.
Yes.
If you watched the last video, it was bad.
Yep.
So what is this?
This is another bedroom. So it's a 3-bed house.
Okay,
Yes.
gotcha. 3-bed, 1 bath.
Yes.
Oh, it's not a 3-2 either.
No, it's a 3.
So we probably are a little high on
Yeah.
price, but oh well. Shoot for the moon. Nice little bedroom with closet. Another bedroom here. You got brand new fans. Those are probably $75 at Home Depot.
And they look good.
They look good. That's
Yep.
all you got to do.
That's pretty much it.
And that's it. This
Yep.
was a short one. We went through it quick, but man, that was a very interesting project.
Definitely.
Neither one of us have actually been to this house. Paris is like 2 hours away minimum.
2.5, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, but we will definitely let you know how this goes as it moves on. Keep an eye on it. But that finished product from the beginning, it's night and day.
It's incredible. We have good contacts that can, get stuff done, and a few good contractors that are, even willing to go a long way for us. So that's always beneficial to have people that you have good relationships with.
Right, and she knew she was doing us a favor, so she stuck it out a little bit on the premium. But good for her. She deserved it. Well, Daniel, it's that time. What the people have been waiting for.
Yep.
Words of wisdom from Paris, France, Texas. What do you have to say?
Words of wisdom for this one, like we talked about in the beginning, just whenever prices start to add up on things, especially when neither of us have been there, where we can typically have a pretty good idea what it's going to cost going into it.
Mm-hmm.
We just bought it for such a good price in the beginning, but really I would say, sometimes you do have to, and I wouldn't call it cut corners, but cut expenses a little bit where you can.
Mm-hmm.
Whether that be painting the exterior, even though it's passable. I think it looks pretty good from the front, especially in an area like Paris.
Yeah.
We're not talking about Westworth Village and Fort Worth or anything like that. So,
right.
This definitely passed along well, and I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, me too. I mean, the situation we had from the beginning, falling in the deal, buying it too high in hindsight, costing more than we originally thought. And then putting it on, and there's still room for a profit because you make the money when you buy, but we've been open. I mean, our last house that we went over lost money, Lucas.
Yep.
And that was just dead in the heat of the thing. Market pulled back 10-15%.
Oh, definitely.
It seems like market's pulled back at least like 20% now.
Agreed.
Even on the lower end.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Lower end is like 10 to 20%. I mean, I've seen higher end stuff going back as not 40, but like 30.
Yep.
Yeah. So, anyway, it is what it is. This ain't for the faint of heart. Why did we do this? To show you guys what it looks like. We're out there doing projects, and we get a ton of investors that are just like you, who have cash sitting in the bank, not earning them anything, and they want to put it to use in a secure method because they don't trust Tesla stock. Well, that's all we got.
Yep.
Appreciate you guys listening. We'll be here for the next time. Take care.